This is the Gates water pump 41011, and I've purchased this water pump many times according to my purchase history. And this is the box that it comes in. And here's the actual water pump itself. And the way it sits in my particular engine sits like this. I'm literally looking down at it just like so. And what you're looking at, these little blue lines, probably where they inspected it maybe, I'm just guessing. And that's what those blue lines are all about. Now for me, there's a thin gasket. If you've ever, my mechanic opened one of these up, right? Just because they had failed often on my aging vehicle. Trust me, folks, I got more miles than you believe. There's a thin gasket in here, and we've tried, getting a new gasket. We've tried, doing other things. It just, for me, it's just best to just buy a new one. There's just so much heat that's being produced, and somewhere along the bottom, right? Because this is how it sits in the engine. Somewhere along the bottom, just about every 2 years for me, is where the failure point is. It'll start with a slow drip, and then it'll progressively get worse. And it really, for me, I have not noticed, whether I drive more or I drive less, that it has made a difference. Just about every 2 years, that's when, roughly, I think maybe about around when the weather starts to get a little cooler, that's when it tends to fail for me. And we're right back at it again. Well, that's my experience. Your experience may vary. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. I'll include an affiliate link in the description. Thanks for watching this video.